All right, so we're going to continue our exploration of decimal subtraction. Let's learn a new way to think about it. So this is the first problem, 3 7/10 minus 7/10. One thing to think about is whenever we're thinking about decimals, we can always think about money to kind of help us think about things, so that you could reframe this as $3.70 minus 70 cents, if that helps you out. All right, so maybe you saw that we can just start at 3 7/10, and we take 7/10 away, and that'll get us to 3. So 3 7/10 minus 7/10 is 3. All right, the next problem is 3 7/10 minus 9/10, or $3.70 minus 90 cents. Okay, so did you use the information from the first one? So if I start at 3 7/10 and I'm subtracting more than the 7/10, I can still get myself to a friendly number. I can still take 7/10 first, so I land on 3. And now how many more tenths do I have to go? Just 2 more. So then I count backwards, 1 2/10, and that will get me to 2 8/10. So 3 7/10 minus 9/10 is 2 8/10. Let's take a look at the next one. 4 2/10 minus 2/10. All right, well, hopefully you saw that pretty quickly. We have 4 2/10. We are removing 2/10 to get us to 4 even. So 4 2/10 equals 4, or 4 2/10 minus 2/10 equals 4. Let's look at the next problem. We have 4 2/10 minus 3/10. All right, did you use the information from above? So we can start at 4 2/10, remove 2/10 to get to a friendly number, that friendly number being 4. And now we just have 1 more tenth to go, so that we land on 3 9/10. So 4 2/10 minus 3/10 is 3 9/10. What's next? We have 7 46 hundredths minus 46 hundredths. Again, think of it in money terms, $7.46 minus 46 cents. What do you got? All right. We have 7 46 hundredths here. I'm removing 46 hundredths to get to 7 even. So 7 46 hundredths minus 46 hundredths is 7. Let's see what's next. 7 46 hundredths minus 52 hundredths. Again, in dollars, we can think of $7.46 minus 52 cents. All right, did you get yourself to a friendly number? So we can start at 7 46 hundredths, remove 46 hundredths. So we get to 7. And now how many more hundredths do we have to go? Well, counting is counting is counting. So 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. 6 hundredths. So if I start from 7 and I go backwards 6 hundredths, that's 6.99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. So if I take 6 hundredths away, that will get me to 6 94 hundredths. So 7 46 hundredths minus 52 hundredths is 6 94 hundredths. All right, now this next one, there's not a problem before it. So let's see what you do. 1 82 hundredths minus 83 hundredths. How can you solve that? Again, try and use the strategy we've been working on. Okay? So hopefully you saw that if I start at 1 82 hundredths and I remove 82 hundredths. Oops. Okay. That's going to get me on 1. And how many hundredths do I have left? Just 1. Just 1 hundredth left. And so I remove that 1 hundredth, and that's going to get me to 0 and 99 hundredths. So at this point, we're finished with this problem string. Click on the, let's see if I get the, I'm going to go this way. The question mark, or no, check mark, saying that you're finished. That'll take you to a form. It'll have one last problem on there for you to think about and to answer some questions to make sure you understand the strategy. If you don't understand it, that's fine too. Tell your teacher so that they can help. Bye.